Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Omar Jelani. I am from accounting department, and the work I do is finance manager for the hotel. And I have my group up here, these fine ladies, Monica, Yaritza, and Bria. We are standing before you today to share with you the work we did for the last two quarters. This is the second quarter of the year. Thank you. As I said, Priya, Monica, myself, Omar, and Yaritza, we are here, as I said again, to show you the work we did. And as a matter of fact, you're going to be liking what we are going to show you today. All that work we did. I would like to call Priya first to introduce herself to you guys.
I am Priya. My job is financial analysis. My responsibility in that job analyze trends in revenue and expenses, prepare budgets, and other etc. Review of financial records, and etc.
And Monica is second.
Good morning, my name is Monica Sanchez, and I'm account payable clerk. This is my responsibilities and function.
And I would like to call Yelitza.
Hello, I'm the payroll clerk, and my responsibility is to maintain and collect calculate and entering data, prepares report by computing summaries or earning taxes, deduction, leave, disability, and non-taxable wages. Provide payroll information by answering questions and requests. Contribute to the team for recognition, relate events, and meetings results.
To come back and a little more say the work I do as a finance manager, I provide and interpret the financial information of the hotel. And I also monitor and interpret the cash flows and analyze our competitors and market trends, arranging new sources of finance of a company, and I also do the managing of the budget of the hotel. Our department mission and objectives are, number one, the mission is to prepare accurate report of financial position and the business activities in our various contingencies, and make sure our transaction adheres or abides by the hotel principles and procedures, General Accepted Accounting Principle, which stands for GAAP. This is very important to follow these rules. And our objectives is to prepare annual budget, prepare monthly, quarterly, as we usually do, and annual finance at the end of the year. We manage account payable by weekly payroll, manage treasury accounts, and conduct annual audits with external auditors to make sure that what we are doing is based with the law and regulations of the company.
Okay, we wrote a letter. The letter is to the shareholders of the hotel, providing financial information and describing progress toward positive cash flow. It is important to communicate regularly with the investors who have bought shares in the hotel. This is the letter. The purpose of the letter is Congress the shareholders and bring information about financial processes, and also we want to impress shareholders to buy more of our shares. But the more important for us is to keep a good communication with them.
The room occupancy, we do that weekly analyze for every room occupancy and room sales. This is very important that we follow what is going on, how many rooms we sell and how many we don't sell, to just make change if there is anything needs to be changed. We prepare some of this spreadsheet for every quarter to see what rooms are sold more than the other. And we prepare room occupancy analysis chart, which that means we have to prepare that chart to follow and see deeply, look at it, the rooms that are not going to be sold, and to change if there are any change needed. And this is the Easter weekend. I mean, this is the last quarter, and we are showing you here which rooms are sold for that quarter. As you see, the third week was the highest rooms we sold, and that is, there was an Easter weekend. Everybody was coming to San Diego to celebrate their Easter weekend. And we have that week, which we sold a lot of rooms. And this is another room we are by 4 weeks. We divided the room sales for 4 weeks. The second week was the highest we sold. And let me just say clearly why we sold the third week in Easter. And here shows the second week. The second week there was a lot of conference going around in the town. A lot of companies were doing their conferences, and they sold our conference rooms. We have in the hotel 3 conference rooms, and then all those 3 conference rooms have been sold for that meeting going on in that particular week of the second week. This is a conclusion of room analysis. The standards room are most popular, and the least and suites are the least. The standards are most popular because for the financial thing, it costs less than the suites. However, the suites are still, we are doing suites sold, suites rooms we sold, because if we compare standards and suites rooms cost more. Suites rooms cost more than the standards, but financially, suites are bringing more money to the company. Each room costs over $1,000 per night, while the standards is little over $100. And if you compare those two, financially, suites are not doing bad, but the room sales are a little bit low, money-wise, equal or maybe more for the suites.
So I'm going to present you the stockholders analysis, their names, their information, where they came, and the rooms that they bought. In here we have the information of their details and the shares bought that they bought in the series. And Series A is the most expensive one. They bought, it cost $25.50. B was $20 and C is $17.85. So there's a share bought, and the one that bought the most was Mary, so we love her. She's the best of our company. So I'm gonna leave you with Priya.
This presentation we made purpose of loan. We applied for the loan for our hotel, so we prepare this presentation for our company, about our company to bank. This presentation we gave on June 15 at San Diego branch. And the table contains a mission statement, description of hotels and hotel facilities, and revenue and expenses. Our mission statement is, our mission is recognized as one of the leading 4-star hotel and full service in San Diego, and combined with warmth and vitality of San Diego with the tradition and charm of Europe. And our hotel description is, we recently opened full service hotel in San Diego. It's situated in San Diego, busy and very colorful area. And our hotel offers services to business travelers, vacationers, and who those attending conference and etc. And our room or hotel facilities, we had 200 rooms with 125 standard and 50 deluxe and 25 suites. And we have 2 restaurants and bars, and we have 2 swimming pools, and we have also full room service. And we provide service for business customers. We have 3 conference rooms, and we have internet access to all rooms. And our revenue and expenses. January to June, during that period, our income is about 1.4 million. And we expected in the next 6 months, July to December, we expect income is about 1.5 million. And documentation, we prove to bank our financial position and everything. We submit to a bank hotel mission statement and profit and loss report and loan application document, because we proved and we can settle the money in future, so we proved our ability to bank.
All right, this is our wrap-up presentation. Our objective and mission is to forecast the profit of the company. This is our main objective. We have to forecast the profit. If we don't, they're going to put us in a bad spot. We have to know what our profits are, and we also have to budget planning for future activities of the hotel and comply with government regulations. To comply with the government regulations, we have to do this, because otherwise we're not going to continue our business in not only San Diego, in the United States. We have to comply with the government regulations, and we have to also help other department activities. And is there any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Yes.
Great job, Omar. I have
Thank
a
you
question
so much.
for Priya. Priya, how'd you like to come work in engineering with me and Curtis?
Yeah, sure. Yes, because we connect all departments, our accounting departments, connect all departments also. I like to work with you.
We're keeping an
Sure.
eye on you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. President.